Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150 right here. You guys have two fuse boxes. The first fuse box that we'll be working on will be the one right under the hood. You open your hood, this is your car battery. Right behind it, guys, right there you have a fuse box. That's the cover. When you open that fuse box, it will look just like that. Now, before we continue, guys, let me explain quick why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now you can see you have different kinds of fuses, right, and relays. And if you're stuck in a small town or something like that, you may have a hard time finding one of those specific fuses and relays, or they can be really expensive. We recommend to keep some spares in the glove box, guys, for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. The first fuse that we need to check for the heated and ventilated seats is in that fuse panel here, in that middle row. And if you come from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, that third fuse, okay, which is known as fuse number 28, that fuse will need to be checked. Then you have another fuse that's inside, guys, your cabin on your F-150 in the passenger footwell right here in the kick panel, guys. You remove the plastic. There is one plastic cover that has a fuse on top of it. You remove it, you open it, and you see your fuse box, okay, just like that. Now, the fuse here that you will need to check, guys, if you come on this row right here, fuse number 36, that 15M fuse, guys, okay, will need to be checked right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.